Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everybody. We are here for, excuse me, part 5 of our Thanksgiving Black Friday haul. You got that right, part 5, and we're not even finished. So let's get right down to it. How are you guys doing today? I had to take a break in between recording videos because I got COVID right before Christmas. So I only got certain parts of the Black Friday haul done before, which is of course put schedule behind, but that's okay. Sheathe up our knife so we don't cut anyone. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got today. Don't hit the fan. Okay. Here we go. We got some pretty big ones and then we got some small ones. We're going to start with the big one. This one is a square. And it is by Cheryl Baker. Let's see if we can get you in closer. Called the Wicked Witch Estates. This one's a Halloween one. I'm just carefully zooming it in for you guys. This one is a 27 by 35. Actually, it's a 70 by 89. I'm sorry. I like reading the inches for some reason. But again, it's by Cheryl Baker, square. This one will be left for Halloween this year. All right, let's get into our next one. This one is another square. This one is by Sarah Richter. It is Descendant of the Volcano. I like it because it's a little dragon. See how close we can get you in there. Yeah, cutie patootie. I don't know if I'm going to like all the black though. This one is a 70 by 88. Sorry about that. I have a little, still have a cough from COVID. It's the only thing that's lingering. Okay, our next one is by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. Darling Dragonlings number 2. This one is a round. It's a 56 by 69. Our next one is another square. It's another Halloween one. It's by Marilyn Kaznava. It's what I'm gonna say her name is. I can't pronounce it. Looks like it's Russian maybe. It's Halloween Pug. I love pugs. Pugs are my favorite. I had a pug for 16 years. Still miss her every day. This is a 56 by 56 and I believe it is also a partial square kit. Alright, next to last is another square kit. It's another Halloween one. This one is by Sarah Mustafa and it is Halloween Witch. We will be leaving the Halloween ones till probably September of this year, and then we'll try and work on some of the Halloween ones. through the Halloween season. And last but not least is a circle. This one is a Randall Spangler. It's jack-o'-lantern time. This one is a 41 by 41. Looks like a little snack size, but it looks good. I've seen some people online doing this. Okay, that's it. Excuse me. For part 5 of our video, there's the Augie Doggies on their bone. Say hi, Paisley. And then there's Princess. It's the only way to keep them out of the camera view. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Happy New Year. And wear your mask, keep your distance, and please don't go to work sick. That's the best advice I can give you. If you feel sick at all, even if you're not running a temperature, stay home and protect the other people around you. Have a blessed day. Toodles!